di olika rörelser.
Three little birds sitting by your doorsteps, singing sweet song, melody pure and sweet, singing, this is my message to you. Yawn. Yes, me man, me same one. Little boy from Jamaica. You see me? Open up the three little bird. See there? Three little bird. I'm here the first one on the job today, no? Well, as always. Always come first, master. Yeah, but I saw it looking, you know. Now go on like Jamaica now, the thing of Europe. Huh? And a bumbo clot, you know. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Sidebar. Beside kitchen. On the shelf them on thing and so. You can turn on some light in my kitchen. Yeah. Turn on some ventilation. See that? Now again I can look on the kitchen. Yeah. If you tell you. It's so kinda dark, but you know why. We just come in. Turn on the light them in the building. Yeah. Go downstairs down here so. Yo, right now still I'm just go on 10 minutes, you know. 10 minutes. Or even less. See the washing machine and thing them there. Thing them wash already. And left it dry. Oh no. Oh no, see that? Oh no, we have 2 bathrooms too, so I don't feel like I want to have 2 bathrooms. It's a girl them place. Yeah. Give them privacy. I don't need to show no more, man. I'm not talk about more. Alright, hold on. See there? Turn on the light in that place then. Light up the building. 10 minutes may I go now. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah, my bathroom is still. I can turn on some lighting there. So. Alright then, now big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on your... Hey! Here and thing, you know? Alright, big up on yourself. Bless up, see?